sorry, I didn't mean to end off your other iPad. Let's all stay in my server just in case, because you never know when Sammy's gonna do it, because I missed it last Saturday, because I thought, oh yeah, it was gonna be at 2 o'clock, then he started to do it early. So, let's stay in there. 18 minutes. Just skip to about 1 minute or when Sammy says early bird, because I don't want to miss it. So that's why I'm starting at 20 minutes early, because I don't want to miss it. So yeah, I have cords. I'm ready for this event. Go to if you want to see this my setup, go to Unfiltered Panda Poker, because I'm going to currently record short for over there through the YouTube app. I'm currently recording another video because today's my longest recording day. I've been recording non-stop for like the past since like 8:30 a.m. and now I have to make it go longer. And this is my setup: 3 iPads, 3 accounts. I'm ready to get the strawberry elephant. Yeah, go to Unfiltered. I should have posted these on the second channel, but Unfiltered is gonna be like my shorts channel now. Panda Poker 2 is going to be extra videos. New video soon. Yeah, I'm currently recording it. So once you find it, please subscribe. El Coco Fanto Elefanto, not the right thing. Yeah. And now it's just the waiting game. Yeah, let's go. I hope I get this slap on my main and on my 2 other accounts. The secret lucky block. Make sure to like and subscribe to all my channels. I changed the my main channels my channels box ups. It's gonna have all of my channels that I'm gonna use, like, yeah. Then towards after Patman, which used to be a secret account, I decided I'm gonna use that account now for some videos. After Poker 5, those are channels I'm not gonna be using anymore, or like Manatee Music, Panda Poker Updates, or Gamer Panda. I've lost access to those channels, or at least I think so. I thought I found some on my old phone. Dang it, I lost the channel. Why are you guys two here? I don't know. Why did 2 people just join? I didn't know. I was just looking on my other phone, and then 2 strangers joined my private server while I'm trying to wait. So I'm just uploading this raw 3 different videos, 6 videos. This is the early bird. Phone is number 3. Because I want to get, I'm hoping that Sammy, since it's early bird and he does usually give out secret lucky blocks, that he's going to do the secret lucky block, like adds the new best thing to the secret lucky block today. I thought I was going to have a show, because I'm going to play. I thought I was going to have a play that I'm gonna have to be there by like 4 p.m. But nope. Thank goodness. That got me scared for like a few days, but then I realized, oh, I'm just thinking wrong. But nope, I have time. I'm gonna have to somehow finish the event. I'm gonna start it home. If it starts at 3:15, I can't do it, because that would be too long. Because no delays, please. I wish I could have them all on one video, but the video is the last parts of it are gonna be the reactions. Because I've only reacted to some videos, have to react to one more. No, I'm gonna have to upload it Monday night. Okay, that's fine. Monday night. Homework. Please, no homework. Pro player. Our server's restarting. I'm just shutting down every single server right now. No. Shut down. Don't. Silver V2. V3. Ooh, secret lucky block. Jump. What the? If it shuts down, that's fine. I'm just gonna get my account set up just in case. If the server restarts, that's fine. No lucky blocks. 0.5. Still a lot secret for me. I'm rejoining at 52. No. Don't close my ear. I'm taking off my AirPods for a sec, because they're dying. Let me put on the pros. Okay, good. I'll give it to 52. Actually, I'm joining in. Tim on now. Editor, I'm restarting that because I'm not doing any. I have to. I'll just stop it there. Save new video. 3. Hello. Hello, we're back on the third account. Sorry, I just had to edit out the ending because it showed personal information. 0.5. I've given it time. I'm recording. 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 I'm back. I'm back. Sorry, my parents just need to tell me something, but I'm back. My setup isn't. No, I shouldn't have the lag. Don't tell me they changed that way. You have to be right next to it to spin it. Gonna stop. Then it's gonna go away. Not gonna touch any of my devices. Let's see how long that is. Forgot that I want all my devices really long stopwatches. You guys are just gonna have to see tell me in the comments how long it is. I don't know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're muting the music because of copyright reasons, because Sammy puts into the game copyrighted music. Five minutes. Oh, it's probably when I click to do something else. Yeah. 5 minutes. A 5-minute warning. Yay. What are we going to get while I wait? And I'm turning up all my volume, so you're gonna hear 2 of them, and one of them is gonna be in my AirPods. I need my old phone because I'm gonna fix my clock because the time on it is wrong. 1 minute ahead, but that's fine. At least it's ahead than it being behind. Blech. I'm gonna do. Oh, this is my friend. Dang it, he actually tried. As his name is, username, he is a rage beta. I'm just gonna act like this is a normal flip time. Stop joining me. I don't know who this guy is. I'm blocking. It's fine. There's gonna be a couple videos being posted. We have 2 minutes. I'm gonna try to join someone else's server. Safe. Yeah, you think? Good. Oh, L base. Nothing good. We have 1 minute and 38 seconds. One minute. I'm gonna rejoin. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to scam someone. But 50 seconds. No one leave. I'm not leaving. One. Two. What did I do? Normal. No. Transport. D. Small. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2. Dang it. Only got money on all 3 accounts. That's disappointing. Sammy early bird? What the flip? That just scared the everything out of me. Devontae Cheese. Cool. Yep. Early bird time. wonder when Sammy's gonna remove the codes. Where are you, Sammy? Is it
Lucky block. Lucky block.
you have to wait 30 minutes from time of putting this? I'm not opening these till 3 p.m. because of the Still Brainrot update. Is that all, Sammy? You usually says see y'all in an hour. Let me lock up my base because Rage Bait is gonna come in here.